FxPro for beginners. Hello everybody. In this video I'll be showing you step by step how to use FxPro. It's super easy to do. So FxPro is one of the most popular global online Forex and CFD brokers in the world. And in this video we'll break down who they are and how to use them efficiently so you can start earning money with Forex and CFD trading. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to the search bar and click on FxPro.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. From here, you should be looking at something like this. Here you can see that you can change the language, you can see all the tools and products that FxPro offers, and over here you can also register and log into your account. So let's start with creating an account. And to do that, you need to click register. From here, you need to add in your country of residence. You need to add in your email address and a password. From here, you'll need to click register with FxPro. From here, you'll need to add in your first name, last name, and date of birth. And then from here, you also need to add in your mobile phone number. FxPro will use this information to send you promotional emails and SMS on your smartphone device. From here, you'll need to select your nationality, where you can add or change the nationality right here. And you can also say you have more than one nationality and choose which ones. And you can say if you're a US citizen or US resident for tax purposes. Then you can click here and write in your US tax code. From here, you'll need to add in a residential area. Here you can add in the street and number, building, flat, etc., postal code, and the city that you live in. From here, you'll be asked your employment status. And here you can say you are either employed, self-employed, retired, student, or unemployed. You can also select the field of study and what level you are educated. From here, you'll be asked the financial information with your annual income, your estimated net worth, excluding your primary residence, your source of wealth, your expected country of origin and destination of funds, and how much you expect to fund in the next 12-year period. From here, you'll be asking about your trading knowledge. And here you can see how many times you have traded leverage, derivatives, products such as the CFDs, FX, indices, futures, etc. for the past 2 years. And here you can select how many you have done. Here you need to select what type of closing order you choose to help limit losses when trading. Let's call a stop loss. An investor open transaction with exposure of 4,000 euros and leverage 1 out of 20. What is the required margin? 200 euros. What is spread? Then you need to select the answer for this one and the last question right here. And click save and continue like so. From here you will be asked your wallet settings. And here you can change your wallet-based currency. You can also change that in the settings later on. Here you need to click I confirm that the objective of the account is spectacular trading and I can afford to risk all my invested amount based on my personal circumstances, and I declare that red and the TOS. From here it should look something like this. And here you can add in your information with your identity, where you need to upload a photo of your ID and send in a selfie. You don't need to do that, but keep in mind you cannot create an actual trading account if you don't verify your identity. From here you can see there's this option in the menu over here. And here you can click Wallet and Accounts. And here you'll see your real account and all of your demo accounts. You'll also see your wallet over here. And up here you can fund your account and upload your documents. From here you can also deposit over here, which is the same exact thing as before with funds. You can deposit your money into FxPro. But from here you can also click tools, where you can get a FX tool dashboard. You can get economic calendar and a calculator. Down here you can also see analytics and education and click on squad. And squad is something that will break every single Forex news around the world live for you, so you don't need a separate app to choose from. From here, let's create and open a Forex trading and demo account. And to do that, you need to go over to Wallet and Accounts, and you need to scroll down here until you see your trading accounts right here. From here, if you want to create a real account, you'll need to go over here to the Create Account, and then follow all of these options over here. You can also the same way of doing a demo account, create account. Then from here, you can select the raw demo, and click in what platform you would like to choose from. You can choose between MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, or CTrader. From here you can click continue with raw account, and you can add in the account currency, the leverage, and the initial demo balance. Down here you can also add the execution method, either netting or hedging. And here you can use an external terminal the account and stay and create your own password if you want to do that. But if you don't want to do that, you can simply just click create demo account. From here, it should be looking something like this. And now let me show you how to fund your account. And to do that, you need to go over to the real accounts over here and then find your account that you want to fund. From here, you'll need to click the big icon fund here, and then you'll be sent over to the deposit tab. From here, you'll see Google Pay, credit card, PayPal, NetTeller, Skrill, or bank transfer that you can use. You can also over here change the currency if you want to do that for either euro, pounds, or USD. As you can see over here, you also need to deposit 100 to 50,000 euros for it to be accepted. From here, you can just click pay with either Google Pay or any of these other options, and then go and deposit into your funds tab. So now let me show you how to connect your FxPro account with either TradingView and MetaTrader 5. It will work the exact same way. And to do that, you simply need to go down to your real accounts or demo accounts, and then from here you need to click trade. From here you will see the server, the login, and the password. And you can see here the password will be sent to your email address that you have used for creating the FxPro account. Down here you can also use the FxPro web terminal where you can trade right in your browser, or you can download MetaTrader 5 over here. If you click FX Web Terminal, you'll be located into the FX Edge and click right here. Here you can see there will be open a crash account settings, and you can just click yes, and then close this down right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!